Hello and welcome back students. This is a video lecture on the course syllabus of Gondwana University, Masters in Computer Science, Web Technologies. We all are studying PHP. In the previous video, we have discussed the data types and we came to know a very beautiful thing about the language, that in PHP you need not mention the data type. There is no need of specifying data type before using it. Then we have discussed a few examples where we have used variables, where variables without mentioning the data type. We discussed the data types which are available. So we have string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null. These are the various data types. Then we discussed the hierarchy of data type, where we have discussed कि there are some scalar data types. Scalar मतलब क्या होगा? Single value. So all the data types where you can store only one value at a time is a scalar data type. Okay, then you have special data type where we have only mentioned ki null. We haven't discussed it up till now. And there were compound data types, array and objects. Compound data type where we can store more than one value. Then we have just read out each, like integer, float, string, boolean data types. We have also seen a program where we have used different variables to store different types of values, and later in the program, using the var_dump method, we have tried to display the data type. ओके तो पहले तो इनिशियली डेटा टाइप मेंशन नहीं किया, किसी भी वेरिएबल में कोई भी वैल्यू डाल दी, बट बाद में आपने, अगर आपको चेक करना है कि किस वेरिएबल में किस टाइप की वैल्यू है, तो आप सिंपली var_dump इन पैरेंथेसिस यू मेंशन द वेरिएबल, और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इसमें कौन सा डेटा टाइप है. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वन प्रोग्राम, example of boolean data type, a program or example on boolean data type. So as you can see this code, php a equals to true. Now this variable, again I have kept a bit space here which is not required. I'm writing, so sometimes ऐसा होता है कि space आ जाती है, but you have to understand it's a one word. तो $a true, if it is true, echo value of variable is true, else echo value of variable is not true. ठीक है, तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू समथिंग कि यहाँ पे आपने ए को पहले से ही ट्रू मेंशन कर दिया, और क्योंकि ए इज अ बुलियन डेटा टाइप, it holds a value true. So now when you are displaying echo statement, which of the echo statement will be displayed? Obviously first वाला, echo value of variable a is true, because a is true, a false नहीं है. ठीक है, so this is the small code. Just look at the code. Okay, now I move to the next topic, compound data types, which we are going to understand. Array and objects are the two compound data types. When I say compound data type, I just mean कि you can store more than one values, multiple values in a single variable. We all are familiar with array. Array हमने use भी किए हैं, और array में हम more than one data store कर सकते हैं. Object एक ऐसा variable तो नहीं बोल सकते, it's a type that may contain properties and method. तो objects can be created many under that category. That also you know if you have done C++ programming, स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड ऑल जब हम करते थे, तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट्स कितने भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं किसी भी क्लास के. आई होप यू नो. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंपाउंड डेटा टाइप अरे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. Now in this example we have a variable numbers where I have stored an array 5, 8, 45. Three digits are there in the array. For each is a keyword. So again remember, there should be no space between for and each. For each is a keyword. For each numbers as value. So numbers को आप as value print करने जा रहे हो. Echo value is value. Value is $value. That means again dollar और value में space है, नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये हो गया. फिर आपने अगेन अपडेट किया अपना नंबर्स 0 में है रेखा, नंबर्स 1 में है 42, नंबर्स 2 में है नागपुर, एंड फिर अगेन आपने इस लूप को प्रिंट किया, नंबर्स एज डॉलर वैल्यू, एको वैल्यू इज डॉलर वैल्यू. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आउटपुट कैसा आएगा? पिछली बार यानी फर्स्ट टाइम जब ये प्रिंट हुआ था तो ऑब्वियसली वैल्यू इज़ 5, वैल्यू इज़ 8 एंड वैल्यू इज़ 45, ऐसा आउटपुट आएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप इसको प्रिंट करोगे तो आउटपुट रहेगा वैल्यू इज़ रेखा, वैल्यू इज़ 42, वैल्यू इज़ नागपुर. आई होप दिस प्रोग्राम इज़ क्लियर. Now it's time to understand another thing, that is special data types. I hope in this example you understood that dollar number is an array variable that holds some integer value initially. पहली बार में तो उसमें integer value थी, and now you have accessed all the values using which method? for each के थ्रू हमने एक्सेस कर लिया था हर एक को. अब हम आज we are going to also understand special data type. When I say special data type, we have one data type, say null data type. Obvious है, it may contain null as value, it is a special data type. Okay, when I say null data type, it is a special data type. And what type of value it can hold? It can hold null value. अब let us see with the null data type with an example. Initially I have kept the value of var as null if you know what this reverse exclamatory mark mean. एक minute. Echo welcome to PHP BR tag must required, otherwise it will not print in two different lines. The output will be one single line. Okay, now this code which I have written for you all, यहाँ पे हमने लिखा PHP और हमने var की वैल्यू पहले तो null सेट कर दी. अब बोला गया है if var is not, ठीक है, that means not under $var, then you print. Okay, तो आपका आउटपुट आ जाएगा welcome to the PHP, welcome to the PHP. Null is not a string, it is a special data type. That means variable does not have any value. You can check by using if else also. So I want you people to execute this code also. And we had to start something new today, that is PHP operators, but we will see that in our next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.